Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a last 12 months option into a year slicer in Power BI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to let viewers of your report easily toggle between seeing yearly data, like 2023, 2024, or choose a rolling last 12 months view, which is extremely valuable for monitoring ongoing trends. If you've ever wished your Power BI reports felt just a bit smarter and more flexible, you're going to love how easy this is to set up. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to create a proper date table. This isn't just a Power BI best practice, it's absolutely essential for working with dynamic time periods. So head over to the Modeling tab and click on New Table. You'll create your date table with a formula that spans all date ranges relevant to your data. The reason we do this is to give Power BI a full calendar view, unlocking all those powerful time intelligence features. Think of your date table as the backbone of your report. It's what ensures your visuals and calculations always know what date context you want. Now, within this date table, we're going to set up what's called a last 12 months flag. This takes just a minute, but it's the secret sauce. Add a new calculated column and use the formula that evaluates whether each row, each date is within the last 12 months from today. This might sound technical, but here's the why. By flagging dates within the past year, we'll later give users a seamless way to filter everything down to just the most recent 12-month window. If you're familiar with slicing a loaf of bread, think of this as cutting only the freshest slice, no matter where today falls in the calendar. With that in place, it's time to build a relationship between your sales data and the date table. Head into Model View, then drag and connect Sales Order Date to Date Table Date. Make sure the direction is single. It just keeps things clean and predictable, flowing data in one direction only. Relationships are like the highways that let Power BI travel between your raw sales figures and your calendar dates. Without this, any time-based calculations simply won't link up. Alright, now comes the fun visual part. Insert a slicer visual onto your report, and into this slicer, bring in both year and the last 12 months flag from your date table. This lets users choose either a regular year, like 2023 or 2024, or the rolling last 12 months window. With one slicer, you're giving your users real flexibility. If this is your first time combining fields in a slicer, don't worry, it behaves just like ordering from a menu. Pick a specific year or go with the dynamic, always updating rolling period. Next, let's help our audience actually see what's happening numerically. In the data pane, right-click your table, add a new measure, and write your total sales formula. Total sales equals sum of sales. This measure does the aggregation, summing up sales numbers so we always get the totals no matter how the slicer is set. Finally, add a card visual to your report and drag your new total sales measure onto it. Now, as you interact with the slicer, the card will instantly show year-wise sales. Pick 2023, you'll see sales for that year. Flick over to last 12 months, and you'll get a dynamic, always up-to-date total for the most recent 12 months, regardless of what month you're in. This lets you capture ongoing trends and performance at a glance, instead of being stuck with static calendar years. And that's it, you now have a robust way for users to toggle between specific years or always see the freshest 12 months of data in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop any questions you might have in the comments. I'm always happy to help you troubleshoot. Make sure to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.